Welcome to BizEdge Payroll app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make deductions and add allowances on BizEdge Payroll. The Payroll app helps to calculate your employees' salaries and run payroll for you with ease. You need to set up payroll before you can make deductions and allowances while running payroll. See our How to Set Up Payroll video on how to configure your payroll settings. Once you're fine with the settings, you can run your payroll and make deductions and add allowances. Step 1. From the payroll dashboard, click on the Prepare Payroll button. Confirm and review your employees. This is where you select employees you like to run payroll for. Update their work days, bonuses, and deductions as necessary. Select an employee and you can see various salary sections for the employee. To prorate more working days to an employee who worked extended hours, click on the plus sign on the Prorate Working Days button, and the employee salary will be increased by 1 day. By clicking on the minus sign, you can reduce an employee's salary by 1 day due to absenteeism. Tax, NHF, or pension deduction calculations can be automated. This is done if enabled in the payroll settings. The default settings is automated calculations. See our How to Set Up Payroll video on how to disable these calculations. If you opt to disable the automatic calculations of tax, NHF, or pensions in settings, you have the flexibility to input your own calculated figures as you desire when running payroll. Moving on, you can add bonuses, other commissions, staff loans, and other deductions as you wish. As you add these changes, you'd notice the net pay changes. This is because the app automatically calculates every deduction or bonus changes you make on the employee salary. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, click on the Save Changes button to save the changes you've made. Note, it's important to save every change made for an employee. Once you're done with making the changes for your employees, you can successfully run payroll by clicking on the Proceed button to review allowances and earnings and submit payroll. Now you can proceed to make deductions and add allowances on BizEdge Payroll while running payroll.